There's nothing quite like the thrill of unboxing a brand new iPhone, and today we're diving into the box of the latest iPhone 15 Pro Max. As we lift the lid, the first thing we're greeted with is the device itself. And just like a gem, it's nestled securely in a protective layer. The iPhone 15 Pro Max, folks, in all its glory. Now let's see what else we have in the box. There's a beautifully coiled fast-charging cable sitting right beneath the iPhone. Next up are the EarPods, Apple's own wired earphones, promising a rich and immersive audio experience. And of course, we can't forget about the traditional Apple stickers included in every box. Apple sure knows how to deliver a complete package. Now that we've unveiled this beauty, it's time to explore what makes the iPhone 15 Pro Max a game-changer. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is a testament to Apple's commitment to elegance and durability. The device showcases a refined design language with a robust stainless steel frame that not only provides a sturdy build, but also amplifies its premium appeal. It's a perfect blend of strength and style, turning heads wherever it goes. The iPhone 15 Pro Max comes in a variety of breathtaking hues, from the timeless silver and space gray to the mesmerizing midnight blue and sunset gold. The color palette is diverse and attractive, ensuring there's a shade to match everyone's taste. The button placements are intuitive, making the device easy to navigate. The overall aesthetics are sleek, with a slim profile that doesn't compromise on the robustness of the build. The design is undoubtedly a testament to Apple's meticulous attention to detail and their pursuit of perfection. In conclusion, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is not just a smartphone, it's a piece of art that fits perfectly in your hand. The display on the iPhone 15 Pro Max is nothing short of breathtaking. It boasts a 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display, bringing your visuals to life in stunning clarity. The resolution is incredibly sharp, making every image and video pop with detail and vibrancy. But it's not just about the resolution. The promotion technology takes the smoothness of the display to the next level, making every scroll, swipe, and pinch feel incredibly fluid. Color accuracy is another area where the iPhone 15 Pro Max shines. It renders colors with precision, ensuring that what you see on the screen is as true to life as possible. And let's not forget about its HDR capabilities. With support for HDR10 and Dolby Vision, the display delivers a dynamic range of colors and contrast, making every frame a feast for the eyes. The iPhone 15 Pro Max offers a visual experience like no other, making every moment on screen truly immersive. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is more than just a pretty face. It's a performance powerhouse with an exceptional camera system. Nestled within its sleek frame is the A16 Bionic chip, Apple's latest technological marvel. This chip isn't just about speed, though it certainly delivers on that front. It's also about efficiency, ensuring that every task, from the most mundane to the most demanding, is executed smoothly while maximizing battery life. Now, let's shift our focus to the camera system. This iPhone houses a triple camera setup, each lens meticulously designed to capture the world in stunning detail. Whether you're shooting a close-up or a sweeping landscape, the iPhone 15 Pro Max delivers crisp, vibrant, and beautifully balanced photos. And let's not forget about video. With advanced recording features, you can create cinematic masterpieces right from your pocket. The iPhone 15 Pro Max, with its impressive performance and camera system, sets a new standard for what a smartphone can do. We've unboxed, explored, and reviewed the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and it's clear why this device is creating such a buzz. From its elegant design and captivating display to its powerful performance and advanced camera system, it truly is a tech marvel. It's not just about the aesthetics or the specs, but the seamless integration of all these elements that makes this device a standout. The iPhone 15 Pro Max truly stands out in the smartphone market, offering a seamless blend of design, performance, and camera capabilities that are sure to impress any tech enthusiast.